What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle. We're on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, I'm literally just bringing y'all a quick little video. Um, Before we get into the video, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle. Okay, so y'all gonna hear cars going by because I'm outside, as y'all can tell. I'm on the porch. And baby is on the porch. Baby is having him some, I think, Jack Daniels. Is that Jack Daniels? Yeah. But anyway, so I'm on the porch and y'all, that's the Ring doorbell chiming over there because I moved it from the camera. Anyway, and I just really thought about something. Y'all never give up in life because I'm sitting here burning papers. I'm going to show y'all the papers that I'm burning. Hold on, y'all. So y'all can see I got the metal trash can. The fire kind of went down. But anyway, if you want to, baby gonna blaze it back up for y'all. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so y'all saw it burning or what have you. But me and baby just sitting on the porch. We are doing like some Sunday resetting, cleaning, and all of that. And y'all know that baby is creating him a man cave now. In what was the office. So we went through the file cabinet and just pulled out all kind of documents that we no longer needed. Y'all know, just literally cleaning out a lot of stuff. And then I had like a box that I had, y'all, for some years now, that we literally just moved from this place to that place, and I still had not burned the stuff. Long story short, I came across my old lease from where I lived in the hood, y'all. And I mean, this was so long ago, I didn't even know baby or none of that at the time. Y'all, I came across my old lease. I'm going to keep it just because I know it's like a reflection of where I came from and how far I have come. This house that y'all see right here, this very brick, I own it. So never, ever, ever give up. I was not raised in the hood. Well, I guess I was for a little bit, but we moved so early. I really didn't experience like the hood lifestyle like that, if you will. But for the most part of my life, I lived in a house or houses or whatever. But I'm talking about solely from me, like being an adult. I started out in the hood, y'all, because that's what I could afford. And that was just that. Lived in the hood like 13 years. Then got a nice apartment, or what I felt was nice. And I do have videos in that apartment, so y'all can go back and look. I'll even post one in this video so y'all can know that that was the apartment that I moved to from the hood. And now to the house that y'all see me recording in all the time now. But the thing of it is sometimes you gotta, well, really all the time, you gotta crawl before you can walk. Especially when you're doing things that's within your means and on a time frame that you can manage everything and not fall, if that makes sense. So I say that to say, if you have to live somewhere that's less than where you want to be, or, you know, something like that, don't give up because anything can change. The day that I saw this house, I wanted it. Didn't really know if I was going to get it, but I had done all the things to be disciplined to qualify to get this house. So just don't give up, y'all. Literally don't give up. Sometimes we go through hard times. There's life. Everybody has gone through hard times, but a lot of it is up to you to make your choices to change. Your atmosphere, change. The way you live. Where you work, all of that stuff like that. And y'all, I got some big news coming very soon. I don't want to tell y'all prematurely, but I will tell y'all very, very soon. Um, so yeah, it's gonna be a couple of changes, gonna be some new stuff and all of that going on. But I really did just want to make a real quick video and just to show y'all I'm literally burning a lot of like rubbish, literally. Some of these documents that I burned, y'all, is from where I lived in the hood. I kept a lot of it because it had like my social on it, random stuff like that. So I knew I didn't want to just throw it in the trash. But I held on to a lot of what I didn't even think was baggage, but it is. And because I'm, starting a new chapter, I feel like you really need to get rid of a lot of things, but the only reason I'm keeping my old lease is just living proof. Not necessarily to hold the baggage. I just want that one document as like living proof of how my address changed from the hood to a little bit better to now I'm great. You know what I mean? So y'all got any type of stories y'all want to express in the comments? If y'all have been like in a position where I was started in the hood, got a little bit better, and now you good, y'all let me know, because I'm just curious of how many people actually came from where I came from, or if you've always had a great life, I want to know that too, because some people have never had to struggle. Some people have never, gone through this or that. Me personally, I don't think I've ever had like a struggle life, but I have had like hard times in life. So yeah, I don't think I had a bad life either. Again, I just think I went through hard times. Growing up and going through new chapters, going through, just life and then experience and change, handling things on my own before I even was married. Just a lot of stuff like that, So y'all let me know in the comments how y'all grew up. If y'all have always had a great life, if y'all kind of like me and didn't have a horrible life but had bad times, or if you just had a bad life and you still having a bad life. But we all know we can change our circumstances, through, I would say, hope, prayer, work, belief, faith. You're right, babe. All of that. I mean, I used to be a lot more negative than like now. I don't really think. I think I have my moments. But yeah, I used to be one of them kind of people when one thing go bad, my whole day is like bad. But I made a change years ago to try to find the good in every bad situation. Because life is not all bad. It's literally what you make it. Some things are out of our control, and you cannot control a downfall. Sometimes you can't control, if you blessed, it could go either way. So you can't control every single thing, but just control what you can, handle what you can. Things that are out of your control, pray about it, and try to make better moves to get out of the situation or whatever it is. So you got people in life that will stay stuck. You got people in life that will be dependent. And then you got people in life that'll make moves and do boss shit. It's just what it is. I just hope that a lot of y'all are more like me and just really doing what you got to do, working hard on the back end, and then, reaping the benefits. But that's really it, y'all. I ain't going to talk y'all ear off. I just wanted to drop this little razzle-dazzle on y'all and share a little personal moment. Make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe. I don't have no lip gloss on or nothing like that. And y'all see me on Raw in the Bonnet. But shop QuiNichelle.BigCartel.com. Y'all already know. And we are out.